In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to submit a timesheet in Hubstaff. Whether you're new to using Hubstaff or just need a quick refresher, this guide will walk you through each step of the process clearly and effectively. So, let's get started. First, you'll need to open your preferred web browser and search for Hubstaff. Once you've navigated to the Hubstaff homepage, you'll need to sign in using your username and password. This step is crucial because it grants you access to your account and its features. Once you're logged in, we'll head to the Timesheets section. Simply look for the option labeled Approvals from the main menu. This is where you can see all your open timesheets that are awaiting your action. By navigating to this area, you'll gain an overview of your pending tasks related to timesheet submissions. Now that you're in the Approvals section, let's find the correct pay period for which you need to submit your timesheet. When you open this tab, you'll be able to view your open timesheets listed under the Open tab. It's important here to check the dates to make sure you're selecting the appropriate pay period. This ensures that the work hours you're submitting are accurate and correspond to the right time frame, streamlining payroll processes later on. For submitting an individual timesheet, locate the timesheet you want to submit. Next to it, you'll notice an Actions button. Click on this button and a drop-down menu will appear. From this menu, you will select Submit. This action tells the system that your timesheet is ready for review and approval. After you click Submit, a notification will pop up on your screen confirming that your timesheet has been successfully submitted. This notification serves as a verification that the process has been completed, ensuring peace of mind that your report is now in the review stage. And that's all there is to it. You've successfully submitted a timesheet using Hubstaff. This efficient process is designed to make your work life a little easier, allowing you to focus more on what truly matters. By following these steps, you ensure that all your hours are accounted for accurately and approved on time. We hope this guide was helpful and that you feel confident in managing your timesheets within Hubstaff. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to explore other resources available online or reach out to your manager. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tips and